In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can add a photo in Photoshop. It's very easy, so let's get into it. Okay, so there's mainly two ways that you can actually do this. One of the ways is you can just go to the File option right at the top. Then you can just go Open, and then you can just select the photo from your device or your computer. So I'll select this one. Okay, and then it's now been placed into a separate canvas. Okay, so that's the first way. And then the second way is you can just go into the canvas that you're working on, click on File, and then you click on Place Embedded. Okay, this option, Place Embedded. Okay, and then you can find the image. So here it is. I'll click Place, and there we go. It's directly in proportion to the canvas I'm working on. So those are mainly the two ways. You can just go either File and then Open, or you can go File and then Embed. Okay, embedded place. Okay, place embedded, and that's it. So if this helped you out, drop a like onto this video, and I'll see you in the next one.